Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. So we're only gonna have one new release this week, or one new collection I should say, because we are having the birthday sale, which is 30% off of everything in the shop except for items that are in the sale section or items that are in the $2 Tuesday overstock section. So basically anything that's already been discounted isn't included, but everything else is. So we're only gonna do this one collection for this week, and this is a reformat of an older collection, so I'm gonna try to make this video pretty short. Oh boy, we're crooked, there we go. Okay, so this is a reformat of the Succulent collection. It is a good bit different than the original, and I'm gonna get started with just the date covers as well as the glitter headers. These will be available with or without foil. The ones that I've got here are without. And then for the first thing here, we have got the deluxe version of the kit. So this is rose gold foiling, and I've got really bad lighting right now, but I think it's actually doing pretty well for the foiling. So your quote box says, "Make today beautiful." This is rose gold foil. I don't know if I just said that. And then you've got a bunch of foiling just throughout the florals here. And then these three boxes are totally different from the kit that was released last year. I wanted to do something different with this one since Orange Blossom was like just a duplicate pretty much, just with the new format of the kits. So these are done with like an opacity around here, and then you've got the extra lines, which I think ended up looking really pretty. So yeah, that is the full box sheet. Then your second page for the deluxe kit has your weekend banner, your flags, your date numbers, your cutout icons, your scripts, movie marquee. Your next sheet has your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, half boxes, and then these skinny little labels here. Next sheet has your little things, your headers, and then you've got these boxes at the top. And then here is your ombre heart checklist sheet. You've got your daily trackers and your flags. So I did keep this kind of the same as it was last year, where in your ombre heart checklist you do have this really pretty floral pattern at the top. And then your last sheet has your bottom washi, your date covers, your weekly tracker, and then some cut washi. You guys can see it has just got the rose gold foiling throughout the florals. There we go. So all of that was the deluxe kit, and then we do have the mini kit version. So your full boxes are exactly the same as the deluxe kit. Your next sheet has your weekend banner, your trackers, your heart checklist, icons, and scripts. Your next sheet has your headers, your little things, some half boxes, and some labels up top. And then your last sheet has your bottom washi. It is the same as the deluxe kit. You've got a couple of marquees, some half boxes, and then some cut washi. Okay, and then we also do have it available in the B6 size. So that one has the smaller full boxes. These are Erin Condren horizontal sized, so a little bit smaller than the regular vertical full boxes. The one that we ended up losing is this one right here, and then everything else stayed the same as far as the foiling and everything. This is your cut washi, and then you have got 3 glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom. Your next sheet has your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, half boxes, and then you've got some labels up top, a row of glitter headers, various headers, weekly and daily trackers, flags, 3 heart checklist, and then little things down at the bottom. And then your last sheet has that same bottom washi. It is just smaller. Then you've got your glitter washi strips, your foiled date covers, cutout icons, and scripts. So that is this week's new release. If I didn't already, I'm gonna put the code for the 30% off here. That ends Sunday at midnight Eastern Standard Time. I hope you guys love them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.